Starting at number 10, we have the City of Lights, Paris. A city known for its art, fashion, and gastronomy, Paris is a walking museum. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the breathtaking Louvre, every corner of Paris tells a story of romance and history. Next, at number 9, we find ourselves in Rome, Italy. With ancient ruins such as the Colosseum and the Roman Forum, Rome is a city that has managed to preserve its history while embracing the modern world. It's a city where you can enjoy a gelato while walking down cobblestone streets, soaking in the rich culture. Moving on to number 8, we have the magical city of Prague, Czech Republic. Known for its colorful Baroque buildings and Gothic churches, Prague is like a fairy tale brought to life. Its Old Town Square is a spectacle of architectural beauty that will leave you in awe. At number 7, we find ourselves in the vibrant city of Barcelona, Spain. From the stunning Sagrada Familia to the bustling La Rambla, Barcelona is a city that pulses with life. It's a city where you can immerse yourself in the art of Gaudi one day and relax on sun-kissed beaches the next. Next, at number 6, we have the enchanting city of Vienna, Austria. Known for its imperial palaces and historic sites, Vienna is a city that exudes elegance and grandeur. It's a city where you can sip coffee in a traditional cafe one moment and waltz in a ballroom the next. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have the beautiful city of Amsterdam, Netherlands. Known for its artistic heritage and elaborate canal system, Amsterdam is a city that blends the old with the new. It's a city where you can explore world-renowned museums during the day and enjoy vibrant nightlife as the sun sets. At number 4, we find ourselves in the picturesque city of Santorini, Greece. With its whitewashed buildings and crystal-clear waters, Santorini is a paradise on earth. It's a place where you can enjoy a sunset dinner with a view that will leave you speechless. Moving on to number 3, we have the majestic city of London, England. Known for its iconic landmarks such as the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace, London is a city that carries a royal charm. It's a city where you can enjoy afternoon tea one moment and explore bustling markets the next. Next, at number 2, we have the romantic city of Venice, Italy. With its winding canals and historic architecture, Venice is a city that transports you to another time. It's a city where you can enjoy a gondola ride under the stars and savor the finest Italian cuisine. And finally, at number 1, we have the breathtaking city of Dubrovnik, Croatia. Known for its distinctive old town encircled with massive stone walls, Dubrovnik is a city that will captivate your heart. It's a city where you can walk along ancient walls one day and swim in the clear Adriatic Sea the next. So there you have it, our top 10 European destinations that are sure to make your next holiday unforgettable. Each city, with its unique charm and rich history, has something to offer every traveler. So pack your bags and let the adventure begin.